Hi guys, this is Young and I'm in the middle of Hong Kong Central in an open space. The reason is because I want to share with you guys how to upload the coolest Instagram post in a very simple steps using Insta360's 1x. What else would you need? A bit of rope. Bullet time string is actually provided in the box and all you need to do is securely fasten. There you have it. Turn on and then go into the movie mode and long press into bullet time. Basically, when you're ready. So that's exactly why you need an open space. When nobody around, actually I managed to do it in sort of many other places. This bullet time effect is actually already programmed inside the camera. So let me show you what results we got by connecting this device onto mobile phone now. Once Wi-Fi is turned on the mobile phone, it gets connected automatically for me. Go into 1x app in the album. Inside the camera, actually there is a section picture, movie and bullet time. It's very easy to spot where the bullet time is. And because it records in 100 frames per second, after downloading, you can edit. This is so cool. You can actually change into different settings. Actually, I like 9:16 the best. You can cut the clip, change the speed, add some music that's already available on the app, and even put some filter on. Then either you can directly upload it to Instagram or download it to your mobile phone. That was really simple, wasn't it? If you really want to up the Instagram game, or even if you want to just capture something around you in terms of like Central or the skyscrapers, you cannot capture it by just a normal camera or mobile phone. With Instagram 1x and with the string that's provided, you can actually get something that's very cool. You don't even have to edit the 360 video because it automatically produces 1080p flat video that's already edited. All you need to do is probably, if you want to, trim the video and adjust the speed. So I'm gonna show you more of my twirling around. If you want to know more about 1x different functions and any other sort of cameras, vlogging tools, etc., then please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!